Hello everyone, welcome to our lesson on optimizing the home environment, creating a supportive space. Today we'll explore how to enhance the environment at home to provide a safe, comfortable, and supportive space for children with autism. 1. Understanding the importance of the home environment. Children with autism are highly sensitive to their surroundings. A comfortable and structured home environment can reduce their anxiety and help them better cope with daily challenges. 2. Establishing clear daily routines. Clear daily routines help children reduce anxiety caused by uncertainty. Use pictures or icons to represent daily activities such as meals, study time, playtime, and bedtime, providing children with a sense of structure. 3. Setting up a dedicated quiet corner. Create a special quiet corner for your child with their favorite toys, books, or soothing items like soft cushions or blankets. This corner should be a retreat for them when they feel stressed. 4. Minimizing sensory stimuli in the environment. Reduce noise levels at home. Use soft lighting and fabrics. Avoid strong smells and colors to lower sensory stimulation and prevent discomfort for the child. 5. Using visual cues and labels. Use visual cues and labels around the house to help your child understand and follow rules. For example, label different rooms and use visual cue cards to indicate tasks like wash hands, eat, or tidy up toys. 6. Providing a variety of sensory toys. Offer a range of sensory toys such as clay, sand, balls, or spinning chairs to help children regulate their emotions and sensory input, easing stress and anxiety. 7. Establishing family rules and reward systems. Set clear family rules and reward systems to help children understand appropriate behavior and motivate them to follow rules. For instance, establish rules like wash hands before meals or brush teeth before bedtime, and reward compliance with small rewards like stickers, snacks, or extra playtime. By establishing clear daily routines, setting up a dedicated quiet corner, minimizing sensory stimuli, using visual cues, providing sensory toys, and establishing family rules and rewards, we can create a safe, comfortable, and supportive home environment for children with autism. These methods not only reduce anxiety but also enhance their overall quality of life. Thank you for watching. I hope these strategies are helpful to you. If you found today's content useful, please like, subscribe to our channel, and share it with other parents who may benefit. See you next time.